I'll show you what it looks like from my view. Just to say how much you mean to me. We're stuck in Dublin, you guys. Hello you guys, we've arrived in Lisbon and we are getting ready to go on a walking tour today. I'm doing a bit of like a 24 hours in Lisbon vlog because we got here yesterday and we're leaving super early tomorrow morning. So I'm just gonna vlog for the day. But I just got ready and I'm gonna show you my outfit really quick. This top I got from Bershka from Tenerife. Skirt is from Marshalls, and then I'm going to be wearing my black Adidas Sambas. But I'm going to be doing my lip combo today, and I'm going to be using some of the products that I got from Kiko in Tenerife. So if you haven't seen that vlog, I'm not sure if it's going to be 2 videos or 1, I don't know, but go check it out. But anyways, I'm going to be using their lip pen. This is the long lasting color Kiko lip marker to line my lips. Also, I hope you can hear me. I have the window open and there's like people outside talking and stuff like that. I'll show you what it looks like from my view. This is the view from our hotel. It's super cute. It's one of those like boutique hotels. If I remember, I'll put the name here. I would highly recommend. We also just got like our continental breakfast and it was so good. But anyways, I'm gonna line my lips with the Kiko lip marker in shade number 111. It's actually really nice. Okay, then I'm gonna use the Kiko lip gloss in shade 33. It's like a pink sparkly color. Yeah? I'm almost done.
My name is Belén. I have it here, Belén. It's a very similar to a place in Lisbon called Belém. Back from Brazil, they would bring gold from the mines of Brazil. So they were very smart Portuguese, okay? That's why the walls are burned, right? They're black because of the fire. The last fire was... Santa Justa, exactly. It's the Santa Justa's elevator. They were sailing away for months or even years, and their women didn't know if they were going to come back or when. So they were pretty sad. And an earthquake. And that bridge is very famous here.
Walking tour now, and we're probably in like the middle of the tour. We just went to Lookout Point and it's so beautiful. I'll show you. And I keep walking for probably another hour and a half and then see more of Lisbon.
Here, but there are many buildings in Lisbon. very, very beloved. You see that there are a lot of people parked. So, and there is one here in this panel. Maybe. Do the same with the Amish in North America. Embroider, they make some of the embroidery, in a wrong way. It's very present, especially here in Alfama. They are representing basil plants, and we will see them a lot, and I will explain later why they are.
We're still on the walking tour. We're heading to the cathedral now. I'm excited to see what it is, but so far the tour is really good, super exciting and interesting.
Bread at your home, then you will always have.
We finished our tour and now we're going to a spot by the river just to check it out. It's like an open square, super cute. Really, really good. I always recommend free walking tours when you're somewhere you don't know because you get to see the city really quickly and for really cheap. So yeah, we're gonna just explore Portugal now. So far, I absolutely love Portugal. Lisbon, to be specific. It is gorgeous. I love the city, and there's so much history. It's just so beautiful. But we're by the river now, so we're gonna explore, and then I don't know, see what happens. Back out now. We're looking for somewhere to eat, but we're stopping into this vintage shop just to check it out. So let's look around and then we'll go get some food and maybe more of those little tart things that I had earlier. So we just finished dinner and now we're walking around. We're looking for a bakery to get some of those custard tarts and maybe E&E, I should say, if we can find it, and get some jewelry. But yeah, dinner was really good. So now we're just walking for food. Oh, we're going to the shoe store. We're stuck in Dublin, you guys.
So it turns out we are actually not going home that day. Our first flight from Lisbon to Madrid, they unfortunately short-tripped us, which means that when we got to Dublin, we had to recheck our bags, and spoiler alert, we did not make our connection to Toronto, which meant that we had to stay the evening in Dublin, which I feel like there could have been worse situations to be in. So, we tried to make the best of it and decided to go out and see the city of Dublin because none of us have ever been to Ireland before. So enjoy this spontaneous Dublin vlog ? So yeah, enjoy.
We're in Dublin right now because we missed our flight. That's a story for another day, but we're gonna explore the downtown area and see what it's about, and then hopefully we'll be going home tomorrow. But yeah, we're in there.